Hello students, I am Rita Mohanty Miss, going to teach Standard 4 English 2, Chapter 1, Visitors at Duliatal. It is written by Swapna Datta. Here we can see Tinku was greatly excited. Two of her aunts, Monimasi and Nuttu PC, were coming to Duliatal for a visit. So Tinku was greatly excited. Both were teachers. Monimasi taught in a school in Calcutta and Nuttu PC somewhere in the suburbs. Suburbs means, what is the meaning of suburbs, children? An area where people live that is outside the center of a city. They had not been to the hills before. What will they think of Duliatal? Asked Tinku. They will love it, won't they? I hope so, said Tinku's mother. I only hope it doesn't rain when they arrive. Why not? Asked Tinku, surprised. It's lovely when it rains. All the little streams become rivers where we can sail boats. Tinku's mother laughed. You used to hate the rains too, Tinku, she said. Oh, that was very long ago, said Tinku. I'm used to Duliatal now and it's a lovely place. As it happened, there was a heavy downpour. What is the meaning of downpour, children? Heavy rainfall. On the morning of their arrival. It's time to go to the bus stop, said Tinku's father, peering at the wall clock. He was looking at the wall clock and said, it's time. Let's go to the bus stand. Where are the raincoats and the umbrellas? Let's take a couple of extra shawls as well. It's kind of shivery. Why they were feeling shivery, children? Because it was raining that day. Could I come to the bus stand with you? Tinku asked her father. Yes, but wear your raincoat and don't forget your gumboots, he said. He means who? Father said to Tinku. Rain continued to pour down when the half-filled bus from Katgodam arrived at the bus stand. Tinku jumped up and down eagerly. She was very fond of both her aunts. Monimasi told her the most enchanting stories, most interesting stories when she visited her in Calcutta, and Nuttu PC was great fun to be with and quite a good photographer. So Tinku liked both her Masis and PC. Both they did not seem to be among the passengers. Nuttu, Moni called out Tinku's father in a loud voice. Are you there? Hurry up and get down. The bus will leave in a minute. So here we can see Tinku's father was worried. He is calling their names. Nuttu, Moni, come out. Two huddled figures. Hurry, hurry, they are coming out. Almost buried under cardigans. What is the meaning of cardigans, children? Woolen clothing meant to keep you warm. Cardigans, overcoats and shawls crawled out of the bus. They came out from the bus. What monstrous weather, said Monimasi in a feeble voice, in a weak voice. It's freezing, said Nuttu PC. Really, Dada, I don't know why you asked us here at this time of the year. What is the meaning of Dada here? Brother. It always rains in the hills. You will soon get used to it. Everyone does, said Tinku's father, taking the bags from their hands. Tinku, cried Monimasi, catching sight of her. Why did you come out in this rain? And where is the taxi? asked Nuttu PC, looking around. Tinku burst out laughing. We can't go to our house by taxi, Nuttu PC. The path's too narrow. Because they were staying in a hill station, hilly area. So the paths were too narrow. A rickshaw then asked Monimasi, I am afraid you will have to walk, said Tinku's father, laughing at the look on their faces. It's not far. Here, get into these raincoats and take these umbrellas. Walk all the way to our house, cried Nuttu PC. And I don't see any road, said Monimasi. There it is, said Tinku, pointing to the narrow track leading down to their house. Monimasi said, I can't go down the path, it's so narrow, and there is such a steep drop on the other side. There is not even a railing one can hold on to, said Nuttu PC. Here we can see Monimasi and Nuttu PC were worried how they will walk, how they will go to their house in this rainy day, and the roads were also not good, narrow road. There is not even a railing one, they told. Don't be frightened, said Tinku's father. Here, hold my hand. And you hold mine, Monimasi, said Tinku. Don't worry, you won't fall down. It seemed like a never-ending journey to Tinku. Both her aunts were so scared of the narrow path that they took ages to cover the short distance. Thank God we have reached the house, said Monimasi. When they reached, who said thank God? Monimasi. With a shudder as they neared the gate. What is the meaning of shudder? Tremble or shake or shiver. I am not going to step out until it's time to leave. I don't think I want to either, stated Nuttu PC. There is nothing to see except dripping trees and dark bushes. I don't think we will get to see the snow range at all. Seeing that weather, they both thought that they can't see or nothing to see in that area, they thought. Oh yes, you will when it is bright and sunny, said Tinku in a comforting voice. Tinku said, you can see when the weather will be bright and sunny. Here we are, said Tinku's father, opening the gate. Her mother was already at the door to welcome them. Soon after they had their tea, Monimasi and Nuttu PC dived under the quilts and blankets with hot water bottle each. They went to the bed. But when they opened their eyes the next morning, the whole place was filled with sunlight. The sloping garden was full of colors. The snow range beyond the garden shone golden in the sun. The dark hills in the distance had silver trickles falling down into the green plains below. Oh, how beautiful, cried Monimasi and Nuttu PC together. I told you so, said Tinku, joining in the laughter that followed. Now they all three became very happy. Earlier they were thinking, Nuttu PC and Monimasi were thinking the place will be very upset place or they can't see anything. But in the morning they saw the beautiful sunlight, the sloping garden. Now they are very happy. Now, children, you understood the lesson. Write down the hard words and their meanings in your notes. Thank you.